Hey guys, what's going on? So, as you guys saw in the last video, if you did watch the last video, we recently picked up a 3rd gen Camaro. And with that car, we got an LS. So, the problem is, I don't know what's in this LS. Internals-wise, I don't know. I know it has 862 heads on it, but that's about all I know. So, what we're going to do now is we are going to start tearing this LS apart. We're going to figure out what's in it, and we're going to go from there. So, let's start it. Alright guys, so we just pulled the valve covers off. We got to pull these rockers off and get these heads off. So let's do that. So I've been pretty bad about filming, but I have it, I've got one head off of it. So let's take a look at it. So here's my mess of tools. We got the headers off, push rods out, head bolts, valve cover. Trying to organize everything so I know where everything's at, which is actually going well so far. But here's my 862 head. I think we're going to have to make a valve spring change and maybe a port job. But this is a pretty good start head-wise. I'm pretty happy with it. Valves look good. So definitely really nothing to complain about there. So we got our rockers. But gonna start working on getting this other head off. So we'll time lapse it. Let's get it. Alright guys, so we have it on the engine stand. We have both heads off, the head gaskets off, and we're about ready to pull the rods and pistons out. I'm waiting for my buddies to get here. They're going to give me a hand with that. And we'll get it done. So, but yes, this is a 5.3. I don't know if I've really explained it yet. This is a 5.3. These are 862 heads. And the heads are basically brand new, so I'm really happy about that. It's got a motor plate on it, which I'm really happy about as well. So I really can't complain. Valley cover's really nice too. But I want to pull the rods and pistons out to see what we're dealing with, because obviously this engine, the internals were unknown. So I don't know if it's a Gen 3. I don't know if it's a Gen 4. I have to find out by dropping the rods and pistons out of it. Hopefully they're Gen 4. If they're not, we'll go buy some, but hopefully they are.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the boys.
Hey, I'll let you go, bro.
We have this thing pretty much disassembled.
Later, bro.
Yeah, buddy.
I got Nick Tannis over here.
TBR Racing.
Hey, Kyle, what do you think about TBR Racing?
On 3. That's all I gotta say. Bro, you have...
Bro, personally, if that were me, I wouldn't take
your
that.
rim...
It has billets.
Bro, your one rim is
You
my
have billet
whole
lug
entire
nuts, bro.
set.
Billet lug nuts. You're a race car.
Your one rim
I'm trying to
costs
test
my
it.
whole car.
Bro, I'm doing a compression test right now.
Hold on, let me see. Hold on.
What is it?
195.
195?
Cylinder 3. Even though I was on 8. 7.
You're on 7.
What are your plans? What are your plans with this motor? Nitrous or boost?
Definitely boost. So we just found out, unfortunately... Unfortunately, these are Gen 3 rods. These are not Gen 4 rods.
Broke rods.
So, they're broke rods.
No, well,
Those are out of the
Kyle's
actual
broke,
Chevy
so.
van.
Actually, no. Kyle
With
has
the
like...
Express 1500.
So, we do have to get Gen 4 rods. These are not as strong as Gen 4 rods, so we'll get Gen 4 rods and pistons when we put this thing back together. I know I talked about how this thing had a turbo cam, and if you look down in there, she's brand new.
Let's help you out.
She's brand new down in there. So
What are you filming on?
a fucking toaster.
Alright, now we're gonna pull the plate off.
Yeah, we're gonna pull the mid plate off.
And then pull the connecting
Bro, make
rods
sure you let him know who the
to
fuck
the
LS guy
motor
is.
cylinders. And the motor cylinders get the power to the connecting belt right here.
Is this an intake?
Now that's the throttle body.
This is the fuel injector.
What is that?
Nokia, bro. Yo.
Alright, we need those are 12 points, bro. You have those?
Yeah, I should. I probably don't have the right 12 points on it. Whoa! All right, on that note, we're going to cut to the time lapse, bro.
Alright, what we got here, boss? What we got going on?
Bro, you think this is accurate?
Bro, that shit's funny.
I think it's too big.
Hold on. I gotta find Kyle. He built an LS. This is his. Where is it? Hey, put these in a bag.
We got going
Hold
on.
on. But when you build a small block Ford,
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Hey,
Boy.
like, I be organized and shit.
bro, look
We
at
go
the-
right in that bag.
You see that?
Look at the bolts-
Camshaft
hold on,
bearing.
Hold on, but look at the bolts on the ground though.
Yeah,
You're organized, right?
like what is the
This is brand new.
No, I'm talking about this.
the fuck is
What am I looking at?
Kyle? What we got going on over here?
I don't know.
Pulling out the Eagle connecting rod.
All right. What are you taking out right now?
The connecting rod.
What are you taking out?
Connecting rod.
What's a connecting rod?
That goes to the alternator.
It's probably the
What
alternator.
what a tensioner at?
That's in the bag. Or the
Oh,
motor
okay. It's a.
Of the motor.
Is that the rear main?
Nah, that's the bearing seals.
It's embarrassing.
What's in here?
Alternator.
Flex fuel?
At 110.
That's the alternator.
110.
Oh, Kyle, let's go pop your trunk.
That's the alternator. Power steering pump.
Pop the truck. I'm about to commit a felony.
You gonna get this like really fucking like slow mo of taking this cam out?
It's a nice ass chain. I'm gonna steal this shit off your ass.
That thing's brand new.
Time to take out the cam bearings.
Yeah, you got ice like that?
I thought you were gonna hang it around your neck.
I want to, bro, but I have to.
You gotta pull this other cover off.
Hey,
Come on, LS guy. You should know
wish
what
y'all
the.
had a bracelet like that.
Oh,
Yeah. Hey, we gotta pull the other cover off.
See, you should know what you're doing, LS guy.
Cut the clip.
It's all going on.
Okay,
Kyle, bro, he's a professional engine builder. You don't give a fuck.
Who, me?
I like that.
bro. We need to see how we get this.
I gotta grab more bags.
I can't. Oh, shit.
You need to pull her out slow, bro. Put a bolt in it.
And ask Randy if you got anything in his fucking pantry.
You got anything in your pantry?
He always raises my picture. What do you need?
Pull the cam out.
Yeah, put a bolt in there so you could actually,
Grab it.
yeah, level it out so you don't destroy the fucking cam bearings that are in there, dude.
Fuck the cam bearings.
Dude, not there. The fucking center bolt, dude. Here.
Yeah, you can't.
You said a
Oh, because it's an LS. That's why.
Dude, that car is probably laughing at this LS motor right now.
Dude,
like,
fucking pull it out, bro.
all the way
Pull
far
it
away,
out, bro. Pull it out. Just pull the fucking bitch out.
Yeah, see if you could.
You're getting new everything anyway, so it doesn't matter.
No, you were using the camera, I see, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You'll be fine.
Just hold on.
No, put a longer, bro.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Yep,
Put
right there.
longer
Don't even
one
go all
on
the way in, Randy.
Let's go.
Oh, be
Oh
careful.
my god. He's gonna knock a cam.
Yank that motherfucker.
You don't even turn it.
Yeah, you have to.
Hold on, we gotta go. We gotta get this.
Oh, where's the hammer? Put it back in.
Damn, what are you doing?
We gotta get the slow mo pulling this fucking.
Oh, look, you can see it from here.
Okay, bro.
You can
Okay.
see it from here.
No shit.
Oh, look at those lifters. Those things are brand new.
Oh, you gotta pull lifters too.
Yeah.
You gotta turn the motor back around.
Yeah.
Are you taking the plate off? Or you leaving it on?
Huh?
You gonna leave the
Bro,
plate?
pull it out, bro.
Yeah, pull it out. Just wiggle it out. You know.
God, hey, drop that camshaft. See if it's good. If it's good,
Yeah.
it'll crack in half, and then just weld it back together.
Yeah.
Aha. Oh shit.
Wait, see what brand it is.
It's probably. Is it Ryan Tilly?
Yeah, I think it is. BTR?
Yeah.
It's BTR.
Yeah, those are fucking shitty.
Is that one of them blomp blomp cams?
No, it's a turbo can.
Yeah, you know what? Dude, they got a sensor there and then another one. I want so much.
Shoot, buddy.
Hey, turn them over back.
All right, guys. So, as you can see, we have our LS down to just the block and crank. So, I will pull the crank out at another time, and we're gonna get this thing ready to go to the machine shop. Now, it's already honed, but I want to completely redo this engine. So yeah. We got all our parts here, our cam, our lifters, so guys, I will see you in the next one when we dig more into this. Peace.